www.muslimcentral.com/donate.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Brothers and sisters, welcome to Quranic Supplications. We're going to start with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy with the first dua that we covered in class. I'm sure you remember this dua. It's dua number 1 in Surah Taha, ayah 114. Before we get started though, I want you to make sure that you have your notes with you. Please have the notes that we used in the class or the Arabic printout. I need you to look at the Arabic as we pronounce it. It's really important and it helps the process. Even if you're a slow reader, if I am able to read it clearly to you, you put your finger on the script or on the text and you repeat the words with me, not only will it help your pronunciation, but it'll also help you memorize this. So inshallah, let's start together. We praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and send peace and blessings on Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala nabiyyina Muhammad. All praise and thanks is due to Allah. I'm sure you had a great time in the class. And I'm praying that these videos, they help you and they're giving you the opportunity to memorize the supplications that are in the Quran. So let's start here with dua number 1. First, I want you to start with the Ra. Rabbi, Rabbi. The Ra and Ba are going to be held together. Rabbi, teeth together. Zidni, Zidni. Rabbi, Zidni. And now the Ain, it's the second part of the throat with an E underneath. So get the Ain sound out first. Ri, Ri. And then your whole tongue for the Lam. Ilma, Ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Be sure between zidni and ilma, you're not fusing the sounds and you're getting scared. Rabbi zidni. You're getting the Ain in the zidni. Let's try it again. Zidni ilma. Separate those two sounds. Zidni ilma. Excellent. Dua number 1 in Surah Taha, ayah 114. Rabbi zidni ilma. And may Allah increase you in your knowledge and have you continue watching and memorizing these du'as. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.